Hello everyone, welcome back to the Token Minds training series. And today we are introducing Agentic crypto payments, a way to integrate blockchain automation and AI-driven settlement as an orchestration layer without replacing trusted systems like ACH, Swift, cards, or core banking platforms. The focus is not disruption, but adding intelligence and automation on top of infrastructure that already works. We'll be focused on how agentic crypto payments can be implemented without changing existing payment rails or core systems. Intelligence is added at the application layer, where agents handle automation and conditional execution, while compliance, custody, and settlement stay exactly as they are today. Agentic crypto payments combine blockchain settlement with AI agents that can initiate, execute, and reconcile transactions automatically based on predefined rules. These agents do not create a new payment rail. Instead, they operate inside existing financial applications as an orchestration and automation layer, allowing institutions to gain programmability while keeping their current payment systems fully intact. Most payment modernization efforts fail because they try to replace rails instead of improving how execution happens. This creates long migration cycles, regulatory friction, and customer experience risk. The real problem is not infrastructure, but the lack of intelligence at the application layer. Without an execution layer, innovation always requires disruption, and that is exactly what regulated institutions try to avoid. This shows the core stack behind agentic crypto payments. At the base is a permission blockchain layer using Hyperledger Fabric, which handles transaction logic in a private, auditable environment suitable for institutions. On top of that sits custodial wallet and key management, ensuring automation can happen without exposing private keys or weakening security. Settlement connects through DigiPay, integrated via APG, so crypto execution passes through the same compliance, monitoring, and policy controls used for traditional payments. The orchestration layer is supported by API services, MCP middleware, PostgreSQL, and Redis, which manage balances, sessions, and transaction state. So the result is a stack where crypto runs inside a controlled enterprise environment, not in public-facing or risky infrastructure. Everything starts with business rules. Defined in the application layer, an intelligent agent monitors events, applies those rules, and prepares a transaction, but nothing executes automatically. Before settlement, the system requires explicit cryptographic approval, ensuring that governance and auditability remain intact. Once approved, execution happens through existing payment rails, while the blockchain layer provides automation and traceability in the background. And finally, reconciliation is automated, updating ledgers and reporting systems without manual effort. The key point is that agents add intelligence at the application layer, while institutional control remains exactly where it should be. A front-end agent guides the user journey, triggers transaction inside the normal application flow. A financial app agent prepares the transaction on the private ledger, validating business rules and compliance. And cryptographic approval ensures authorization stays with the user and the institution. Execution happens on Hyperledger Fabric with deterministic guarantees. Settlement routes through DigiPay via APG, linking crypto execution to bank-grade payment infrastructure. And finally, reconciliation happens automatically, updating balances and loyalty points across systems without manual intervention. In this model, crypto settlement is treated as complementary, not replacement. Agents execute payment logic in controlled blockchain environments to enable automation and traceability. Transaction data is then verified and recorded immutably. After that, results flow back into existing ledgers and reports, ensuring that finance teams, auditors, and compliance officers continue working with the same systems that already trust. Implementation starts with control, not automation. Organizations define policies first, they introduce agents to prepare transactions, while humans or systems retain final approval authority. Execution follows a safe and repeatable flow: prepare, approve, execute, and reconcile. To every payment intent is cryptographically signed to preserve trust and auditability. Existing rails stay in place, and guardrails such as limits, scale switches, and manual overrides ensure that early pilot remains safe and manageable. So Token Minds helps institutions move from concept to production with agentic crypto payments. We design architectures that integrate intelligent payment alongside existing rails, focusing on application layer integration, explicit approval models, compliance alignment, and operational safety. So this enables teams to pilot and scale intelligent payment systems without disrupting proven infrastructure. So thank you for watching. If you are ready to add intelligent, automated payment execution to your financial systems without replacing your existing rails, reach out to Token Minds. We'd love to help you build agentic crypto payment solutions that are secure, compliant, and production ready.